Good morning, little monsters, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting off our lunch week using the Bento Kids Chill. I do not have the chill pack in here, but that is the freezer tray that goes underneath this. Today I have some mozzarella sticks. So we ordered some dinner and then we had leftover appetizers. So these are mozzarella sticks. He loved them. He does not like to dip with marinara sauce, but if he did, I would definitely add like a little container of that with it. But that is what he's bringing for lunch. I have some apple slices, cucumber slices, and some carrots. I have his multivitamins in this extra silicone cup here, and then I just gave him a little Kit Kat bar. And then for snack time, we're using our Bento Kids snack. In here, I just have a clementine that's peeled up and some pretzel chips. So that is what he's bringing to school. I'm gonna give him a large thermos of water with that as well. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so for lunch today, we're using our Yum Box tapas. Inside the Yum Box tapas, I'm making one of our favorite chicken nuggets. These are the ones from Just Bear. I get this from Costco. They taste just like Chick-fil-A, but I did hear they have a new version now from Kirkland, and it is much cheaper, but it also tastes the same. I haven't had it yet, so if you guys have, comment down below and let me know what you think of it. But I do have some of that here. I decided to add some of the Polynesian sauce. This is the one that he likes from Chick-fil-A, in this corner here, or in the center. And then I have a clementine peeled up, and then we're going with carrot sticks and celery sticks for a vegetable today. I'm also going to be giving him just like a bag of Funyuns to go with that. For snack time, we're using our Yum Box snack box. In this one, I put his multivitamins in this center instead. This box is actually pretty big, so I'm actually not going to be putting like too much food in there because he doesn't have that much time for a snack. So I have some grapes over here, and then these are just cream cheese and chive crackers from this package. And he always tells me that when I pack just like this for him, it just makes a mess because the crumbs are just all over the place. So I like being able to put it in this container now. So that is what he's bringing to school. I'm just going to give him 2 thermoses of water, and we will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a monster-free day, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. So to follow the theme of like fun kids meal kind of restaurant option lunches, I'm gonna go with one of the kids' fan favorites. First, I'm gonna show you, I'm using that thermos container. I haven't used this in a while because I do have like another box that has a thermos, but I decided to take this one out and use it this time. It does come with like a little removable spoon here that they can use. And then I do preheat the thermos with boiling water, leave it in there for about 10 minutes, dump it out, dry it, and then put in the hot food. So I just have mac and cheese today. So I have basic mac and cheese from Kraft, and then I added some peas to it just to add a little bit of extra vegetable touch there, and that's what he's bringing for his meal. I'm going to give him also a Yum Box snack container to go with that, and in that I had packed a Hawaiian roll, just a plain Hawaiian roll, some apple slices, his multivitamins, here, and then I threw in some Hershey Kisses as well. So that is what he's bringing for lunch. For snack, I'm going to give him one of these Sargento packs. So this one has Teddy Grahams, cheese, and then fruit snacks in it. Just an easy grab and go for me to get in the morning. And then I have just 2 thermoses of water. That is what he's bringing to school. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Happy Friday, little monsters. We're at the end of our school lunch week. Today I'm using the Yum Box tapas. Inside I made some cheese and chicken quesadillas. So I have here some chicken and cheese. This is chicken that I got from the fridge section of the market. It's already pre-cooked. Usually I'll add it to like salads, but I love using them quickly to make quesadillas and like other things since it's so quick to get together. So I have that for his main meal. I decided to add some romaine lettuce and some sliced tomatoes here. Just kind of like when you go out and you buy quesadillas at like a restaurant, they always serve it on the side. So I have that on the side. Clementine peeled up. I gave him here some blue corn tortilla chips. And then I put in here his multivitamins, and I gave him some Hershey Kisses as well for dessert. Now, if it were me, I would also add like a cup of guac or salsa. But since he doesn't like to dip in anything, we're gonna omit this, but just an idea for you guys if you're packing a lunch. So I have that. For snack time, we're just going to keep things simple. We're just going to give them some Ritz cheese crackers. And then I have here a Nutella Be Ready bar. These are kind of on the newer side, but not so much. This just crispy on the outside, like a wafer. And then on the inside, they have Nutella. So that's just like a nice dessert bar. We're going to give him some apple juice, a thermos of water. That's what he's bringing to school today. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, as I do try to put out some weekly school lunches. You can also follow me at Little Monster Ease on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, also on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-ific week. We'll see you next time. Bye.